Alright, time to get the bumper off and adjust this little thing right here. Change out the bezels around the fog lights, and for some reason it popped that out of here. So I think we're gonna start by removing the inner fender screws. Alright, let's get this thing off. Wow, easy as that. Don't do this at home. Oh, come on, Bella. I did say don't do this at home. I just broke my clip. It's okay, crazy glue. Alright, inside the fender, 2 screws. Oh, that's a 7. Back at it again, it's 7. There you go. Rest of the bumper, I'm gonna take off the bezel. See how easy? Bam. And then to take out the fog light, there's only 1 screw right here. Screw is out, and the fog light is out. I already have LED lights in here, but they burned out. Let me just disconnect this. Fog lights are out. Now I'm just gonna get the bottom screws. Wasn't that fast? Hell yeah, when you don't have that many screws on the bottom. Alright, so next is there are 2 screws in there. You can see one right there, one right there. Oh, here you go, 2 better. So you gotta get these 2 off and then the other side. So let's get that done. Alright, there she is. Very simple. Alright, so next thing is to install the fog lights with the new bulbs and also the bezels. But before we do that, I'm gonna give this a little polish. Just a little bit, because they seem to be going a little bit yellow. So these are the old ones. They were okay, but they kept burning out. So I got these. These are called Most Plus. It's supposed to be 6K white. We'll see how these do. There's a big difference on the top too. Okay, these are supposed to be 13,000 luminous. I don't know. And these are the wrong ones. I'm just kidding. Bam, one is in. Now let's install it to the bumper. Here are the fog light bezels. So basically, this one will just get jammed in here, in the corner right there, and then gotta remove this so I can install it from the back side. Alright, let's see what the problem is. The problem is being eBay shit. And another thing is the screws are too small. They don't reach in. This little fella, look how tiny this is. With this guy, I was able to get this secured from the back. So they're pretty much solid in there. Same thing on this side. And the back and the front. Oh, let's hit the front. It does look good. So now I'm just gonna reinstall the bumper and all the little things, and also I'm gonna tighten up the corners, make sure this is flush right here, same thing on this side. And the way these things work, brackets, they slide in right here. I don't know if you can see it from the sun, but they slide in here. And then you just line it up to the car. I took the wheel off so I can check on my brake pads and just make sure everything else is safe while I'm already here. So now I'm just gonna reinstall everything, put it back together, and see the final results. Wow, that seemed like just a second, but man, this took me a while to get aligned. This will pull more back in as soon as I put the screw in the back. Alright, let's get back to it. Alright, she's done. And for grand finale, cabin air filter. Ooh, wow. Man, that cabin air filter was super filthy. This thing looks pretty good. Alright, she's done. Just love to wash her, but it's kind of windy, so we'll not do that now.